Good evening. This is me, Brinda, UR15 CS335. The objective of my program is to create a calculator doing 4 operations. So, first I have declared 3 variables and I have given the option to enter the choice. And there are 4 options: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And the user can enter 2 numbers and it is read. And I've used a switch case. So the case one is addition C is equal to A plus B. If the user enters the option 1, that is case 1, it does the addition and the addition result will be displayed. And if the user chooses the second option, then the subtraction will be done. And if the user chooses the third option, multiplication will be done. And if the user chooses the fourth option, then division will be done and the results will be displayed. If any other options other than this 4 is displayed, it gives the output statement as invalid operation. So I've declared a character here. So if you want to repeat the process again, so I've asked the question to the user, that is, do you want to repeat it again? And I've read this character. So if you can answer either yes or no. So if the user answers yes, that is Y, and the control goes to the L, that is go to label. I've used the go to label, and the L is in front. L is before the, that is in the initial of the program. And else if you don't want to do it, that is if you enter n, the program will return 0. If s is given, that is y is given, the control comes here, that is L, and you'll get the option again as enter your choice, and the choices will be given and you can do your process. Now my output is like this. So I want to enter first option. So I'm entering first option and it is asking me to enter 2 numbers, that is 2 plus 4. The result is 6. If I want to repeat this again, I can do it. I can enter Y and the options are again displayed. And if I want to do something like multiplication, then I enter 3. Then I give 2 numbers. Can give double digit also. Then the result is 396. And if I don't want to repeat it again, I can enter n and it returns me 0. Thank you guys.